So I just finished up unboxing the go-kart, and here's what comes inside of the box. A rear spoiler with the GoKart Pro 2 logo on it, and then a steering bar, speakers, Ninebot engine speaker, it's going to make the engine sounds for the go-kart, and of course a battery charger. There's also the game kit, which comes with a support frame, a USB receiver, and a data cable. And then in this box over here we get all of the screws and 2 packs of AA batteries and all the screws and the necessary tools needed to set this go-kart up. And for safety and maybe even aesthetics, it comes with a flag. Almost forgot, there's also the S-Max self-balancing scooter on the back, and this right here is the steering bar for the S-Max. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and set this go-kart up. First thing I'll be installing is the rear spoiler. Next is to adjust it to your height. So I'm gonna have it standing out all the way over there. There are already screws pre-installed over here on the brackets, so all you have to do is just screw them in. It's pretty much done. Now all we have to do is install the speaker. Before I even add the speaker, first we have to adjust the steering wheel. So it's just gonna pop up right there, and then we're going to install this quick release screw. So we're gonna pop this up. First row, we're going to flip it up, and I'm going to put the positive side down. This was already plugged in. I'm going to turn it on. Now the last step is to pair up and activate the go-kart through the Ninebot app. First impressions, I like the seatbelt color, but besides that, the setup process was basically the same as the first GoKart Pro. It's pretty straightforward. It took me a little less than an hour to set everything up. In comparison to the original GoKart Pro, the GoKart Pro 2 has a slightly higher top speed, going from 23 miles per hour all the way up to 26.7 miles per hour. It's also slightly lighter, weighing in at 106 pounds instead of 112 pounds, while the dimensions and the range is looking the same. Now here's what's new. The GoKart Pro 2 has a racing simulator mode with 360-degree haptic feedback. As I'm sitting here and scrolling through the Segway page, I literally just found out that it does not support PS5. So what can I say? I guess I'll have to figure out another way to test that out. But the steering wheel also looks slightly different. It's got paddle shifters on the back with a built-in speedometer. Well, that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or want me to test out anything on the go-kart, do let me know down below, and I will talk to you next time. Peace.